In this video, I'm going to show you how to post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. Now be sure that you watch the video to the very end so that you do not make any mistake. Now open your Facebook app and then click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then click groups. Then click your groups. Then you can choose the group that you want to post anonymously. I will choose the first one. Then click on write something. Then open that button just on the right, on your right hand side on the top, and click I want to post anonymously. Now you can upload your post and then post it anonymously. Guys, that's how to post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.